seems to be between TRS and the BJP. BJP is challenging Chief Minister KCR in every sentence that they speak. His son and IT Minister of Telangana, KTR, spoke to Rajdeep Sardesai. Listen in to what he said and what he thinks of this onslaught by the Bharatiya Janata Party.
The big question, is the TRS really worried or taken by surprise, dare I say, by the enormous effort the BJP is putting into this Hyderabad election? All their top leaders are coming in campaigning now in Hyderabad.
In fact, I'm neither worried nor concerned, but I'm amused, to put it mildly, because this is a local body election. This is the election for a municipal corporation. We have 141 municipalities in Telangana, and this is one among them. But the BJP seems to think that this is something larger. Good luck to them. But I can tell you one thing for sure, Rajdeep, that they've tried in the past as well. You know, the entire team, starting from the Honorable Prime Minister to Mr. Amit Shah to the entire cabinet, had campaigned in the last election, last assembly election here, where we won convincingly, and they have lost deposits in about 105 seats out of the 119 contested. So their efforts are not new, and I hope the same results will also continue going forward.
You've seen the kind of speeches the BJP is making. They even now want to rename Hyderabad as Bhagya Nagar. They are saying that they will drive, in a way, Owaisi out of his citadel in the old city, and they want to, in a way, become the #1 party of Hyderabad. They say an agenda. They say they are setting the agenda that unlike the TRS, they will not appease minorities. They will create a new Hyderabad narrative.
We believe in being game changers and not in name changers, not in being name changers, firstly. And secondly, let me also tell you, I don't think this kind of polarization, this kind of tactics, or anything new to Telangana. BJP had won in the past year also. In fact, in the 90s, they had won six Lok Sabha seats. Subsequently, they allied with Telugu Desam Party. So it's not like BJP is an unknown entity in Telangana. They've been here before. There were ups and downs, and I see this as one more a little bit of a blip. But to read more into it, to think that they can make a dent, I think is reading too much into it. But I can tell you one thing for sure. On the 4th of December, when the election results would be announced, you'd certainly see that the people of Hyderabad, would have responded to this entire polarization campaign, where they talked about Akbar, Bin Laden, Babar, and have talked about surgical strikes in Hyderabad. These are things that I think people can see through, and people will vote for progress, for development of the city, for carrying forward the good work that was done in the last 6 years.
They are also calling Asaduddin Owaisi, the MIM MP and Hyderabad MP representative, a modern-day Jinnah. Now, let's get it very clear. There is a perception that you are in a tacit alliance with Owaisi all these years. Now the BJP says we will expose this tacit alliance between the TRS and Owaisi, and that is one of the planks that they have used, trying to put Asad Owaisi on the defensive and the TRS on the defensive.
Well, Rajdeep, there are also a lot of accusations flying thick and fast that Mr. Asad Owaisi is also having a tacit alliance with BJP. That's why he's contesting in Bihar and elsewhere. I'm not going to answer to those kind of accusations and speculations. We've supported the BJP government in Delhi on a number of accounts. GST, demonetization, 370, president election, vice president election. Does that mean we are allies, and does that mean we are going to be together in government? No. Likewise, Majlis Party had also supported us on a number of issues. That doesn't make them allies, and if we are not allies of BJP just because we support them on issues, so is the case with Majlis then.
Now, so are you telling me you have no overt or covert alliance with Asaduddin Owaisi?
Mr. Owaisi continues to extend issue-based support to our government. When there are bills in the assembly, he has supported in the past, he's raised issues. Mr. Owaisi remains a friend outside of government. He's not part of the government in Telangana. He's not a pre-poll ally. He and his party have been extending issue-based support to us, just like how we have been extending issue-based support.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.